2014 saw Britain become the first non-Islamic sovereign to issue a sukuk. Prime Minister David Cameron wants London to be the hub for Islamic finance in the West. But is there an appetite amongst non-Islamic issuers and investors? I'm Joe DiVanna, Managing Director of Maris Strategies, a Cambridge think tank for financial services. I spent the last 35 years working in banks and financial institutions, both on Wall Street and here in the UK. I'm also the co-founder of the Islamic Top 500 Intelligence Report, which comes out every year for the last 8 years. We can trace the history of sukuks back to, about the 9th century. In fact, the use of things like checks was a mechanism for Islamic finance, which wasn't called that then, which has now come to the conventional markets over the course of about 700 years. The use of structured devices like double-entry bookkeeping, the basis of our financing in conventional markets all came from the Middle East at one point in the past. Sukuk has come to the West in general because of the crash of the financial markets in 2008. Because of the downturn in the financial markets, investors were looking to diversify their portfolios. And suddenly, this new product came out. In 2014, the UK government issued the first Western sovereign sukuk. That sent a real message to the market about the future of Islamic finance. The structure of these products, the very nature of these products, is going to change substantially. We're going to see innovation in the sukuk market. We're going to see new instruments being developed which more reflect Islamic lifestyle. And I don't actually want to say Islamic lifestyle. What I want to say is more Sharia-compliant lifestyle. A lifestyle based on ethics, a lifestyle that's based on fair and just transactions between two parties. If we look at how money moved from, say, the New York markets to the Eastern markets, Islamic finance in general happened to fill a need that investors were looking for to diversify their portfolio. We've seen quite a bit of activity, since then, simply because there's market demand. Now, the second thing that accelerated the growth was the fact that most Muslims living in Western markets and even in their domestic markets did not have the right mechanisms to make investments and to do financing that was in line with their beliefs.
This Future of Sukuk event forms part of the Global Financial Series, which feeds into the Global Financial Markets Forum held on the 1st and 2nd of March 2015 in Abu Dhabi. Welcome to the Future of Sukuk West-East Corridor panel discussion, hosted by the National Bank of Abu Dhabi.